This is how we can use a basic digital multimeter to measure the output of voltage and amps of a solar panel. First we need to know what's the max output of voltage in the solar panel. If it's under 20 volts, we select DC 20 volts, and if it's between 20 to 200 volts, like in this panel, then we select 200 volts. Then we take the cable that comes from the solar panel then we connect the leads from the multimeter into solar panel cable, positive to positive, negative to negative. So this is the output of voltage from the solar panel right now. And to measure the amps of the solar panel, we switch the red cable place in here, which is set 10A, and then this to DC amps 10A. We need to know what's the max output of amps coming from the solar panel. In this case it's about 6 amps, but if it's more than 10 amps we can't use this 10 amp selection, because then we might harm devices or possibly blow out the fuse of the multimeter. To measure the amps, we connect positive to positive and negative to negative. The solar panel is producing right now about 1.2 amps. If we want to know the watt output of the solar panel, we multiply the voltage with the amps.